Okay, so we think we've found it. It's trains Heathrow Express, Elizabeth Line, Terminals 2, 3 and 4 is free train service. If you wish to choose the underground service with a free transfer, please turn right and use the other lifts. And you can see it says there. So that's trains for the Heathrow and the Elizabeth Line. So I think that's the way we have to go. But that's going up. So it's sending us over here to go down. So we're going to be getting on the Heathrow Express because the Heathrow Express does a loop around the terminals. So it tells you here the next train's coming. Okay, so we've come down and it's literally here, Terminal 2, 3 and 4 via free train transfer. You come here to the ticket and you just press print with how many you want and it prints the tickets, and then you can scan them through here like you're going on to the train or for the tube. Okay, so these are the little tickets that we got out of the machine, free train transfer. And we got the train from Terminal 5. It was going to Paddington was the final destination, but it was stopping at Terminal 2 and 3 first. So it doesn't go direct to Terminal 4 from Terminal 5 for some random reason. You can't go from 4 to 5. So you can't go from 5 to 4. We had to go from Terminal 5 to Terminal 2 and 3. Now we're in Terminal 2 and 3, the central terminal. We've now got 1 minute before the train to Terminal 4. Even though it's funny because this train at Terminal 4, the next stop after us is Terminal 5. So this one, at least tomorrow, we can go back that way. Oh, we're on the fancy new tube. This is like the Elizabeth Line tubes. So it's saying that train to Heathrow Terminal 4. We realise it's not going to Terminal 5 after this one. It's just literally going to Terminal 4 and then going back again.
This is an Elizabeth Line
there we go.
Heathrow Terminal 4.
The train after us on that platform was going to Terminal 5.
Level 0, Terminal 4.
Oh, level 0.
Arrivals,
Oh yeah,
short stay car park, underground,
off the
Terminal 4 bus station.
Elizabeth Line. We got in the lift, but we're going to level 2 for the hotel because we're staying in the Premier Inn. But it was only, you could only go up in the lift because there was no escalators anyway. So we knew straight away when we got in the lift we wanted 2 for the Premier Inn to follow the signs. And we literally came out of the lift there and it says here, hotels, straight above us, Premier Inn, Crown Plaza, Holiday Inn Express. So we just had to follow this funny walkway. We've got another sign there, 4 minutes away if you are at the Hilton or the Premier Inn, and you're just a few minutes if you're at the Holiday Inn or the Crown Plaza. And then it just carries on going again. Here we go, Premier Inn and Hilton, you are 2 minutes away. It's just like the world's longest corridor. We've lost the Crown Plaza in there. Not with other people going in. We've lost the Crown Plaza and the Holiday Inn Express people. We're still powering on. Oh, we've come to a crossroads. Left the Premier Inn, straight on for the Hilton. Oh. I was going to say, left if you're booking in a cheap Premier Inn, straight on if you've got money to stay in the Hilton. Oh, what's it say? 120 metres to a warm welcome. Oh, seriously, this is killing me. 100 metres to a seriously tasty breakfast. They're winding me up now. And after a little rest, we made it. Here we are. Hooray! So we had to go in the lift down 1 floor to check in. So they've got like some desks here open with people, or they've got like these own like self-service counters where you just put in your booking reference number and names and things, I think, and then we should hopefully get our room. Okay, so this is a room tour of Terminal 4 Premier Inn at Heathrow Hotel. So we were in room 228. So I didn't manage to do the room tour last night because we were so tired by the time we got here. So I'm just going to do it now this morning for you. So on the left hand side when you come in, you've got the ironing board. You've got an ironing board and then you've got like 1 coat hanger here. So this is a full ironing board. Then here you've got a full, like not a full length, like a half mirror for doing like makeup in. With a little kind of ledge here and a hairdryer. And it does light up. Then up here is spare pillowcases. You've got hanging space here, and then there's a little space at the bottom there where the iron is. That's just our last bag to come out with us today. And then you've got a full length mirror here. I've just realised there's a drawer there that I didn't actually look at yesterday. Oh yeah, and a little drawer there as well on the bottom. Then on the right hand side is the bathroom. So you can see the switch is just there, and then you go into the bathroom here. So you've got towels, rainfall shower up there, then it's kind of like body wash, shampoo rolled into one. Then there is hand soap there with another big mirror. So it's a pretty decent sized bathroom. Then on the left you've got the desk with a lamp. Oh, there's a safe here as well. So it's quite a decent sized safe. It does go quite far back. So that's in the wardrobe area. You've got a bottle opener. Got a bottle opener on the table there. And you've got the lamp, like menus for dinner and drinks and things, phone, tea and coffee making facilities, and the TV. And then we had the bed, the double bed, and a pull-out single bed for Matilda over there. So either side of the bed there is lamps with light switches and plugs, but just so you know, there's no USB. So last night we couldn't charge any of our phones. We really struggled because we only had USB and like EU adapters. We didn't brought any of the British plugs because we know there's USB on the cruise. So there's no USB in here. It's just literally plugs. So there is plug sockets either side of the bed. There's a bedside like little cabinet there and like a table thing here, so we put it in between both of us so we could both use it on this bed, and this bed's like a pull-out bed. And then there's loads of space here, and then this is what you get on here. So you get a kettle, 2 mugs, 2 glasses, and then there was coffee in there, tea, sugar and sweetener, phone, remote for the TV, and then under here there was actually a mini fridge, so it's quite a decent size. Bin, nice chair, and then we had this view out of our window. Couldn't really see last night because it was so dark, so it looks like we're looking at the Hilton and a car park over there. So that's going to finish the video of the room tour for the Premier Inn. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Bye for now.